Understanding the phrase, turn on the lathe. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. In today's video, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, turn on the lathe. This phrase, often used in various contexts, can be a little confusing for English learners. So, let's dive in and explore its meaning and usage. The phrase, turn on the lathe, originates from a mechanical process. A lathe is a machine used to shape wood, metal, or other materials. The material is rotated on the lathe, and a tool is applied to it to shape it. In the context of language, to turn something on the lathe means to work on something meticulously or to refine it carefully. It suggests a process of careful crafting or improvement. While turn on the lathe is not a commonly used everyday phrase, it can still appear in conversations, especially in a metaphorical sense. For example, the writer turned his ideas on the lathe of his mind, perfecting the story. The carpenter turned the wood on the lathe, creating a beautiful sculpture. In these examples, the phrase is used to describe a process of careful and precise work, whether it's in writing, art, or any creative process. There are other expressions in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, fine-tuning, making small adjustments to improve something. Polishing up, improving something to make it perfect or near perfect. Understanding these similar expressions can help you grasp the essence of the phrase, turn on the lathe. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, turn on the lathe. Remember, it's all about the process of careful improvement and refinement, much like what we do when learning a new language. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy learning!